Man, I hope I can get a left-handed desk. Oh, shoot. They're all taken. Are you even left-handed?
No.
Dang it.
This is what a modern student carries to class: a laptop,
An iPad.
A notebook.
This is a 16-inch laptop.
And this is a lecture hall desk.
And trying to fit this on this desk just doesn't work. Not to mention a notebook or a calculator.
Improving lecture hall desk will improve student comfort, academic performance, and increase university's prestige.
So, this is our prototype of the desk. Now, as you can see, we decided to make it with wood. The only thing here that isn't wood are the nails and this dual axis hinge. We decided on this because it gives you an easy action to move it up and down. Now, I'm a student and I want to come over here and sit down. I move my table up and down. 2 easy motions. Now, standard tables that you find in lecture halls are going to be about this big. We're already offering you double that space. Now, if double that space isn't enough for you, I introduce to you quadruple the space. It's folded out and it gives you more space so that you can use your computer, your water, maybe a notebook too. Somebody needs to pass by, okay. You lift this up, easy access for them to walk by, do whatever they need to. Fold it back down and you're back to working. Let's say I need to get out, okay. Fold it back up, 1, 2 motions, and I'm already out. As you can see, our design is very compact and it's very open for your legs. You're not cramped. You don't have to worry about, being uncomfortable. That is our prototype.
So we started off our process by asking a problem that a lot of us had, which is the sizing of the lecture hall desk. We sent out a survey, and a lot of people agreed with us. They wanted at least their laptop and their notebook to have on your desk. So we decided our criteria would be 20 inches by 10 inches, and then we also had another criteria, which was the school's criteria. They needed it to be compact so that we could fit like 300 desks in one room. So we had to find a way to maximize our table while minimizing this, and our way was to make it folding this way. So we had to work on these new hinges, and we were inspired by plain tray tables, and we had to go through many designs. One, we had to make it seamless so that you could put your notebook down, and number 2, we just had to make it fit with the design, so we had to upscale it a bunch of times. And finally we got it, and as we were putting stuff together, we realized there was a few things to improve on. One, we kind of just threw this on here. We used our extra wood, and then we just fixed this all up, and that was kind of our design process.
Our research shows that our price of production would be around $115 per unit, giving us a 20% profit margin, therefore making our project sustainable.
My advice to the incoming freshmen is trust the process. There's going to be a lot of times where you think you're going to fail. You're not. Everything's going to be according to plan.
My advice for freshmen would be to make sure everyone's on the same page, that everybody knows what's going on, what the next steps are, and how they can contribute. For myself, I was kind of lost at many points on where the project was in the process, so I would definitely recommend staying together on a group and staying very focused on what's going on. That way you won't fall behind or lose track of what you're doing.
My advice would be to start constructing as soon as possible. Just kind of have fun with it and don't worry about messing up. Also, my second piece of advice, use Torx wood screws if you're working with wood.
My piece of advice would be to use all your resources, reach out to people. There's so many people who are willing to help you, willing to, help you do your research, willing to answer all your questions. You just reach out.
My advice for freshmen is to create a cushion in your timeline to make room for going through the engineering design cycle multiple times, to test and improve your project, as well as working out any problems that you and your team might run into along the way.